Salut à tous. Merci une fois encore d'être branché à la chaîne de Cambis. Il y a un communiqué 44 qui est sorti, que nous allons analyser très rapidement. So, hi to everyone. There is another communique 44 that Shimo has dropped that we are going to look at quickly. It's here. Info. Sorry. Info communique 44. Good. Communique 44, date 8 May 2021. Timor latest communications. Dear all cherished Shimo customers, following the communications 43, in which we explain that due to the numbers of COVID-19 cases continue to rise despite the introductions of various vaccinations, and it takes time to flatten the curve of pandemic, and so does our company need time to regain its strength and back to its best. Hence, some of the products are still put on consignment and pending release, and for that we truly apologize for the inconvenience caused. Yes, this one we mentioned in the previous communique, the 42 and the 43. Once again, the company reiterates that it's doing its best for all, despite the uncertainty, to protect the interests of customers. The company prides itself by providing an e-commerce platform for customers to perform custody and consignment. Unscrupulous and untrustworthy individuals continue to publish various false news and slandered Timor in order to entice customers to their respective business. Please have faith in the company. Okay, they mentioned this one too in the previous communique. How people are being slandering Timor and publishing false news. Okay, my take is here. The revelations are here, very important. Here, everything is here. Everything is here. So since October 2020, there were rounds of negativity and defamation hitting Timor by dishonest, fraudulent and unethical individuals, which has led to the freezing of the company bank accounts. Even if the customers switched to using cryptocurrency, there were still people reporting about the cryptocurrency wallet, which directly caused the company unable to receive or transfer any money. During this time, the company has been actively seeking to resolve these two major issues, and once again remind everyone not to make any further payment, as the company will not be able to receive any payment. Further reports and complaints from unsavory characters have also led to the dreadful operation of our platform. Please understand, this is something the company cannot prevent. So this is where the whole thing is. Freezing of bank accounts, cryptocurrencies issues, reports about that, causing them to be unable to receive or transfer money. So that is the issues they mention here. That is the issues they mention here. So, and here they say they remind everyone not to make any further payment, as the company will be unable to receive any payment. So well understood. Fine. So Due to the severe shortfall of working capital, the company is still actively looking for solutions to sell the stagnated products so that customers can get profit as soon as possible. But obviously, there are still a lot of customers who have listened to the speculations of dishonorable individuals, which has caused the company to suffer from various attacks. Good. So here I think they are coming to the solutions. They have shortfall in working capital and they actively looking for ways and means to satisfy the customers. So here we are. Meanwhile, for customers whose products are still in consignment, if they do not want to wait for the company to sell on behalf of the customers, they can immediately log into their back office system and select to pick up the respective products. The company will collect all the information and send the product to everyone. Please remain patient as it requires some time to clear customs for shipment by sea. Good. So that is it. So the solution, meantime solution is here. The meantime solution is here. So if we can't wait for the consignment to be delivered or to be sold on our behalf, we can apply, we can log in and select to have the product. So this one is left with everyone to decide. So I think that is the meantime solution they are proposing to us. Okay, so the rest is just the everyday fanfare. Please be reminded the spread of the epidemic is real. It has not only led to the closure of many manufacturers and companies worldwide. There's no doubt that this epidemic is the financial turmoil of this century. Even so, the company is still looking for new solutions. We hope everyone will stop doing things that could hurt and subsequently destroy the company. Please trust that the company can overcome this financial turmoil and be the witness and watch out for good news. Please do not easily fall prey to rumors, as they are behind us for a reason. GMO has promised that it will not abandon the consignors and the members. So they mentioned this in the previous communique. Yes, that we should still keep the hope up. They are doing their best, and very soon good news will come. So please resist trusting third-party communications who may pose as scammers and imposters. So this one too, we read it already, is there. So we should not trust third-party communication, and make sure that we speak about good value of the company. So we believe as long as we survive this difficult time together, things will gradually start getting better. Once again, we wish everyone a safe and healthy 21. Please continue to speak about the true value of the company. So that is it. So after a week of test run by the customer service, we are fully aware this one they are there. So how we should contact them, the hours and blah blah blah, they are all there. Once again, we urge all members and leaders to not be repeated issues. So these are the same thing they mention. So it is also extremely important to mention the need for all customers to manage and take very good care of the Shimo account and be responsible for, and they are not responsible for loss of property. So that is it. So I think it is clear. 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 We all see what they mean by this communique. They remind us of the product in consignment pending, and they apologize for that. That is one. Second, they are doing their all best to protect our interests. I mean the customer interests. That's what they are saying. They are doing their all. They are doing their best are just causing them harm. Oh, that is it. So the third, that is it. The third is about the negativity, the defamation that are hitting them. They say since 2020 there was some defamation negativity that that are hitting Shimo, and that has caused the freezing of their bank accounts, and also even when they wanted things to go through cryptocurrency, that one too, some report and complain have also made it not to work. So that is the third. Just to summarize what's all this, so that is the third. And then they say complain unsavory characters, that is unpleasant characters have also led to the dreadful operation of our platform. So therefore, that is the panic, the fear of people coming to shop or to buy things. So that is it. And the solutions, that's what they are saying. So if we can't wait for them to sell the product, we can request for them to be. Before I wrap up, I have some questions here for Timo. I believe they will watch this video and come clearly to explain. So when they say we should go to our back office system and select to pick up the respective products, I want to know what are the terms and the conditions of this pickup. They should be clear about what they are saying. Does it mean we are no more entitled to profit if we pick up this product? Does it mean we should not trade again? That if we take the product, that will be it, that is the end, no trading again? Are the products going to cover our investment? The product, are they going to cover? Will they be equal to amount we invested? That will ourselves we can sell and retrieve our funds. I mean, they should be clear on this, the terms and the conditions of picking up this product. We want to know. That will be the end or what? So they should be clear, explain this in detail so that we know exactly what is next. Select to pick up our product, our respective product. I mean, it's just vague. It doesn't tell us anything. What are the terms and the conditions of picking up the product? Here we are. Then we'll be here 2-3 months before something will come, and then what is next? I mean, they should be. Oh, Timo. So please, if maybe it can get to their ears, we want to understand, we want to know the terms and the conditions of this and what is next. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and watch out for next. So pour nos amis francophones, c'est ça, le communiqué est bien passé, vous pouvez lire ça ici. C'est à propos de ce qui se passe actuellement. Tout d'abord, ils ont demandé un pardon pour tout ce qui se passe, comment les choses sont stagnantes, et qu'ils font de leur meilleur pour protéger nos intérêts, ou bien les intérêts des clients. Seulement qu'il y a des gens sans scrupules qui essaient de salir Shimor. Et ensuite, ils ont ajouté que depuis 2020, octobre 2020, il y a des diffamations et des négativités qui ont touché Shimor à travers des gens malhonnêtes, ce qui a conduit à à un ban sur leur bank account. Et quand bien même ils ont cherché à utiliser la crypto-monnaie, ça aussi, des mauvais reports et des plaintes ont fait que ça n'a pas marché et qu'ils sont incapables de recevoir des paiements. Et du coup, ils ont demandé à ce que personne ne fasse de paiement. Parce qu'ils ne peuvent pas recevoir, ils ne peuvent pas recevoir les paiements. Voilà. Donc, ils disent donc que ces plaintes ont aussi conduit à une lenteur des achats, des opérations sur la plateforme. Et donc, de là, quand bien même ils ont un fonds de roulement qui a chuté, ils font tout pour que tout se passe très bien et que nous recevons nos produits et que nous recevons nos profits dans les jours à venir. Et la solution intermédiaire qu'ils nous proposent, c'est que pour le moment, si on ne peut pas attendre que Shimor vend nos produits qui sont en consignation, on peut demander à les recevoir. Donc c'est ce qu'ils disent, et que par là nous devons patienter pour que les produits nous arrivent. Ça demande des démarches douanières à faire, donc il faut patienter. Donc bien, merci, c'est ça. Thank you. N'oubliez pas de souscrire, aimer et partager la vidéo. Merci. Bye.